Hello friends, welcome to our channel Language Basket. Today in this video we are going to learn different types of foxes. So let's start. Red fox or common fox, silver fox, bat-eared fox, crab-eating fox, Cape fox, Bengal fox, pale fox, Culpeper fox, Finnack fox, grey fox, Arctic fox, Tipton sand fox, Corsair fox, Brentford fox, Hoary fox, Moorbill fox, Kit fox, Swift fox, Island fox, Darwin's fox, Pampas fox, Saharan fox, South American grey fox. That's all from this video, guys. I hope you like this video. If you really like, then don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.